Well, how Hunter children to do? This shit a Queen Quet. Now, Hunter children know if you did with me, Hunter gwine know this shit what going on, ain't it? Well, this the first time Hunter children get for Yeddi, this your young man, pun my show you up on Gullah Geechee TV, and we so glad he Hunter did you with me. What going on, brother Quadre?
Everything good. I'm blessed.
I know that's right.
Just excited to be here. 2020,
and
new year, new ambitions.
Gullah Geechee 2020.
2020 takeover. You
there it
know.
is. Gullah Geechee takeover.
Gullah Geechee
clear
takeover.
about that now.
Gullah Geechee takeover 2020.
There it is.
We already know what we're here for.
You know what it is.
You want to introduce? You want me to introduce it?
Let me throw this out there right quick.
Throw it out there.
Now, Hunter children, y'all know this a February broadcast, so we should know what month is. There we go, Black History Month.
Exactly.
But even right here in the Gullah Geechee Nation, you know, we black all year, 365, right. 366. We don't suddenly whip out this here just because it's February. This is how we do all the time. We know who we be. Definitely. And we be Gullah Geechee anointed people. But now, we had a little treat for Hunter children.
Yes.
This the first day of February. If y'all been following my brother right here on Facebook, y'all been seeing the countdown. Definitely. If y'all been to follow me on Facebook or my Queen Quet page or Gullah Geechee Nation Facebook fan page, y'all see me hinting at it. We got a little thing coming for you. Hashtag Gullah Geechee 2020. Get ready, get ready, get ready.
Definitely.
It's here.
Finally.
What we got.
I mean, you know, introducing a brand new book, The Collaboration.
There it is.
What's the title of it called?
Come on, Goody Goody Goody, a Gullah Geechee Tale.
You gotta zoom in, you gotta check that out. Goody Goody Goody, Gullah Geechee Tale. This is gonna be the #1 kids book that's gonna be out now, hitting the stores, Books A Million, Barnes and Nobles, online, everywhere this year.
Yes.
Get ready. All
right, this month. And check this out. Y'all can go to gullahgeechee.biz, right? Look down on the screen there. gullahgeechee.biz. Now, Hunter children, make sure you to follow me now at Gullah Geechee on Twitter and Instagram, and Gullah Geechee Nation on Facebook. And
also check me out on quaddesigns.net. Check me out, Quadré Stuckey on Facebook, Quadré Stuckey on Instagram and YouTube, all Google. And check out the book. I mean,
there it is.
Hard work, dedication. This is what hard work look like. You always got to believe in yourself. So
that's it.
Check out the new kids book, Goody Goodie, a Gullah Geechee Tale. Yeah. Inside, beautiful artwork, illustrations. Yeah. This is what happened when you put, you know, your mind and your creativity together. You go out there and make it happen.
That's it. And now you notice how he gonna do that part. I was gonna tell y'all that part about the beautiful artwork, because I know some folks will say, "Oh, he bigging up himself then." But no, for real. Many of you follow a lot of the artists that say that they do Gullah art, but Gullah art is now its own genre of art. And all of we that do that thing like that, the other rest of people that do them now. So not everybody is a binya that's now in the Gullah art genre. People started copying the styles, and then it made this whole industry around artwork. Exactly. Well, I want you to know, we, the Gullah Geechee for true, we natives and things like that. And so that's why for this children's collaboration here in the Gullah Geechee Nation, we had to take it back. We took it all the way back. I wrote this story over 2 decades ago. And took it all over the United States to schools and would do the little song, Goody Goody Goody, Goody Goody Good, Goody Goody Goody, Goody Goody Good, Goody Goody Goody, Goody Goody Good, Goody 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 Good. So when Hunter children buy the book, you have to know the song, because that way you read it and you sing it. And that's part of our tradition, our culture, our heritage that our ancestors did. They sang while they worked. And they also told tales that had wisdom in them. And many times those came through the forms of animals. Right. So that's why here go a rooster up there, a fox down here. Y'all should ready to get the gist of what's about to happen, ain't it? But you won't really know till you get the book and make it the #1. #1 children's book in the world. All right? And with artwork by Brother Quadré Stuckey. Powerful artwork, bright, beautiful artwork. Things that, of course, not just the children get excited about. Y'all believe this. I took the book to my mama house first. My mama ain't got no little churn around her house, okay? When my mother saw the book, she looked through the book, she said, I think these parents all better buy this book. This would be a great book to have for the children. She loved it. She loved seeing the illustrations. She loved the storyline. And she grew up with them animal stories being told to them when they were little children. You see? And so for her to say as a grandma that, yeah, everybody need to get this for their children, that meant a lot to me.
Right.
So, yeah, how you feel about having a children's book out now that you illustrated, though?
To be honest with you, it just feels like another accomplishment, another achievement.
Yeah.
Something to scratch off the list. I'm feeling like, you know, we're going to make this bigger than Disney. Disney going to have to step their game up. Tell Disney, hey,
Disney, Dr. Seuss, all y'all.
Step your game up. Now, hey, if y'all want to come do a collaboration,
do some collabos
turn
with
this
us
into an actual, you know, illustrated movie.
We can do that.
Let's make that happen.
We ain't mad now.
Exactly. It got to be 10 figures or more, something like that.
Come on, let's roll with it. Because we got work to do here in the Gullah Geechee Nation.
You know, it just goes to show you, just anybody, whatever your dream, your goal, your passion is, always believe in yourself.
That's right.
Don't ever give up. And then just apply it. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands and make it physical. So go out there, purchase the book. Or even if you don't purchase the book, just check it out and see what it's about. You ain't even got to buy it. Because look, it's going to sell regardless. You know what I'm saying? Your gift going to make room for you.
Make room for
you. So you ain't even got to support it, to be honest with you. Just check it out and see what it's about. Because, look, this is the 4th book. I'm 4 books in already.
There you go. And I'm 15 books in.
This the kids' book.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
Come on. All right, my first children's book out here. So definitely, like you said, I love that. If you can see it here, all right, you can see it here. You can hold it in your hand.
Definitely.
All right, to make the dreams a reality. You can't just keep dreaming, y'all. You got to wake up and get to work. And so this young man put in a lot of work over a lot of months. I really appreciate him because over these 2 decades, I've looked at other artists that are out here. Many of them y'all have seen in galleries and whatever. But it didn't, my spirit didn't say that's the person or that's the one that'll do this. But I said now is the time. We worked on it. Many of you met this young man when he was our featured artist at the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival back in 2018. He's going to be back there the first Saturday of August this year. Again, with now the books, not just this book, the books, as well as more original art pieces. And many of you got the t-shirt from the festival with his artwork. We're going to have them out again. Those are collector's editions. You know, we are not sitting here just dry long soap. We put in work, you know what I'm saying? We don't just, y'all don't just see us doing selfies, okay? Y'all see us actually selling items that we've done with the people. There it is, and working with the people in the community. And one of the things you said, that you said to them, well, you ain't even got to support the book, but read the book. That's still supporting the book. So if you pick the book up, if you go to your local library and say, hey, there's a book out called Goody Goodie, a Gullah Geechee Tale, do y'all have it? That's support for us, okay? If you say, well, because I can't buy books, I can't afford it, but if my library had it, I want to check it out, I want to read it to my children, I want to read it to my class, that's still supporting us, and we appreciate you doing that. So again, GullahGeechee.biz, you can order right there, no problem, we get it shipped to you, but better than that, you got 2 opportunities to come this month, Black History Month, and support us, meet us, talk with us, know what gwine down and thing like that. Yeddi we the Christ, we teach that thing like that. So, and know what gwine on next. Come on, join us on February 22nd. We're going to be at Jekyll Island for Black History Month celebration in Georgia at the Convention Center. So you got some special stuff coming out, some new artwork going to be there? Yes,
new exclusive, brand new original paintings. Some more books, new copies of the books, some prints, some more stuff I don't reveal yet. You just got to come out. If you don't come, you're going to miss out on it. So, I mean, it's just like they say, you know, it's better be late than never, right?
There it is.
Better late than never.
Late than never.
If you come late, that's fine. We're going to wait till the door got to close that you get in and get what you really need to get.
For real. And you got to be in it to win it.
Exactly.
So if you want to be with the winning team, you got to join us down there. Now, most of you have heard of Jekyll Island. You probably only know about the Millionaire's Mansion. So, of course, where we want to be, right? So, yeah, we're going to be right there at the Convention Center. All right, so come on down. It's right on the beach. So you can come out even if you decide you want to spend the whole day, you want to bring a nice lunch and everything and sit out there by the ocean and meditate and get your dreams, get your visions in mind for this year, 2020, clear vision. So this is the time that we are supposed to be doing this, igniting our dreams. So everything's doubled up right now. So guess what? If you say, well, I'm not in Georgia and I might not be able to get a ride down there, you said two things. Well, the next weekend, we going north. We're going to be in Georgetown at the Georgetown Gullah Museum, right in the heart of downtown Georgetown. That's how we get down. It's going to be Gullah Geechee Family Day. So February 22nd, Jekyll Island, Georgia Convention Center, and then February the 29th, at the Gullah Museum in Georgetown, South Kakalaki. 2 states. 2 states. All
Double impact.
Double impact. Double the vision.
Always.
Hashtag Gullah Geechee 2020. We see things clearly. Our vision has come alive. You all have no idea how I shouted when I held the proof of this book in my hand. And finally, this dream had come true. After 20 years, 2020, here it is. I'm holding this. Like he told you, I could always see it. But now I'm holding it.
Right.
You know, but you had to see it here first.
Right. For
it to be here now.
Exactly.
All right? So definitely. Now, I know folks will say, well, he looks like a child himself.
Right.
Right? So how you feel about this? I know you're actually teaching children.
Yes, ma'am.
You think you're going to take this to the school?
I'm definitely taking this to the school. So, hey, all my students out there, get ready. So, Mr. Stuckey's bringing a new exclusive book to y'all so y'all can be able to read it, take it home, have your parents read it to you, and tell them that, oh, your favorite art teacher and your favorite teacher has this new children's book out there. So, be on the lookout. We taking this to the school so the kids get ready. Yes. Always believe. And then also, since we talking about school, perfect example, too, with the kids every day, you got to show them something because kids don't see positive black male role models. Right. So every day I make sure they see that because they always ask me, why you dress so well, why you carry yourself that way. I said, that's how a real man's supposed to carry himself. So I'm showing them something, and then I'm physically showing them something, letting them see it.
And mentally showing them.
And mentally showing them something. So, hey, it's 2020 vision, new book, Goody Good. We here. We ain't playing no games. You playing games, go to the arcade.
I know that's right.
Bigger and better things on the way. Let's go.
Let's go. It is the Gullah Geechee Takeover. Hashtag Gullah Geechee 2020. Hunna chilla know this year the Quadré Stuckey. Hunna know who I be out of Queen Quet. Head upon the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. We all keep on celebrating who we be. 366 days of Black history. This about a living legacy. Y'all come join me the 22nd and the 29th. Y'all got them big SUVs. Load up the whole family. Bring them along the whole Gullah Geechee Nation coast because y'all going to help we take over this year. Hashtag Gullah Geechee 2020. Peace and blessings, everybody.
Always believe. Peace.